What if I told you that you could have a phone with double the battery of an iPhone 17 Pro, but in a body that's just as slim? Most 10,000 mAh phones look like bricks you'd find at a construction site. But today, we're looking at the Honor Power 2, the world's first smartphone to pack a massive 10,080 mAh battery into a sleek 7.98mm chassis. Is this the end of battery anxiety forever? Let's dive in. Honor Power 2 with 6.79 inches, 1.5K, 120Hz AMOLED display. Dimensity 8500 Elite, 1080 mAh battery, IP69K ratings with up to 8000 nits peak brightness, is the first phone to be powered by new MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Elite SoC, achieving an Antutu benchmark score of 2.4 million. It was not that long ago when any phone with a battery capacity over 5000 mAh was guaranteed to be a clunky, rugged phone. But the last few years have seen a revolution thanks to silicon carbon anode technology. This allowed smartphone makers to fit higher energy density batteries inside smartphones, and we are now at the point of passing the 10,000 mAh battery threshold inside a phone that's under 8 millimeters thick. Honor Power 2 is now official in China, and it features a 10,080 mAh silicon carbon battery, which Honor claims can last for over 20 hours of continuous usage. The maker suggests you can expect over 26 hours of video playback, 17 hours of continuous navigation, or 14 hours of non-stop gaming. The large battery is paired with 80-watt wired charging, and you can even use the Power 2 as a power bank to charge other phones and devices at up to 27-watt speeds. That's all contained inside a reasonably slim 7.98mm chassis, and the phone weighs just 216 grams. Apart from the huge battery, Power 2 features the usual set of specs you'd expect from a modern Android smartphone. The Honor Power 2 comes with a 6.79-inch AMOLED display that offers sharp visuals and smooth motion with its 120Hz refresh rate. It supports HDR10's HDR Vivid and reaches a peak brightness of up to 8000 nits, making it easy to view even in bright sunlight. The 3/8 PWM dimming also helps reduce eye strain during long-term use. Honor Power 2 is the first phone to launch with MediaTek's Dimensity 8500 Elite chipset, paired with 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB and 512GB UFS 4.1 storage. On the GPU side, the new chip features a Mali G720 MC8 GPU, and based on benchmarks, it scored over 2.4 million points on Antutu. The Honor Power 2 features a dual rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS for steady shots and a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens for wider scenes. On the front, a 16-megapixel selfie camera handles video calls and selfies with ease. The software side is covered by Magic OS 10 based on Android 16. Honor Power 2 comes in Midnight Black, an iPhone 17 Pro-inspired sunrise orange and snowfield white colors. The phone supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and features an in-display fingerprint scanner for secure and convenient unlocking. Overall, the Honor Power 2 is designed for power users who want strong battery life, smooth performance, and a bright display. The Honor Power 2 starts at roughly $385 in China for the 12GB past 256GB model. For that price, you're getting a device that can survive a weekend trip without a charger and a literal pressure washer. It's a specialized beast for power users and outdoor enthusiasts. Is this the battery tech you've been waiting for, or is the camera trade-off too much? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe